What is up, guys? Today I'm doing a market slash trade recap. This is how I made $674 in about a couple minutes. Pretty cool. Um, Going into today, I was very bullish overall. I think we are in a bearish trend model on the hourly though. If you look at this, like we have this higher time SMT, weekly fair value, you got buy side taken, huge displacement down. I think we displaced down. We're gonna buy back up to then continue lower. I think we'll probably see these lows somewhere around here. Maybe you can see if the standard deviation takes some liquidity. Not really, but this model here. So going into the market though, I wanted to see, kind of was watching these lows over here. I was really watching these lows right here. Let me change my account so I don't do anything stupid. So I wanted to see these lows or, oh, this is my swing trade. Sorry, confusing me. um or this low or this low, and it was an SMT no matter which low we took was the thing. So we came down, we SMT'd. It was just, when was price going to rebalance? And you had to know that price had to eventually rebalance. Why? Because there was a big sell-off. Look at this big imbalance. Price needs to see this imbalance. Where do we expect price to probably see in this imbalance? Probably discount of this sell-off. Where is discount of this sell-off? It aligns with this high right here. So going into that, I was very bullish because I wanted to see a rebalance into this one. But once we got this big sell-off, I'm not targeting these highs up here. I'm just going to target what I know price should do. So the whole morning I'm sitting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. We keep selling, we keep selling. We don't respect any bullish thing yet. We finally get one last push of taken of internal liquidity. So we have our external thing, but we finally get one push of internal sell side, and we start to reject, and we buy up heavy. Look at this heavy buy up. This is our change in the state of delivery right here, and look where price respects exactly. Now what I did, I had a bad entry, not a bad entry, but I mean I'm fine with my entry. My original entry was a limit order right here at this, so I was gonna look for something like this, a tap of there, like this, targeting here. This was what I was originally gonna look for. It would have been a 1 to 4 R. It would have been 300 of that. But so I should have had my limit at the CISD. Most likely is what would have been a better entry. A little more money, but that's what I should have done overall, and I did not. So going into that, we come down, we respect this CISD twice now, or this order block, whatever you want to call it, and then we buy up. So I don't get filled. I still have faith in my buy stuff. So I place a market buy around once we get the buy up out. So I think it'll market buy like right here. Still targeting the same thing, but where's my stop going to be? My stop's still going to be like here. This is what I'm looking at. So now I'm working with a 1 to 3. I had very tight wrists, so now I'm looking at something like this, but my fill must have been like here. Yeah, this looks better. I sold a couple pips earlier, or stops earlier. So my buy up was instantly like this. So I'm instantly like stopping my risk like this, just keeping it very monitored. Once we get the buy up, I think this was my entry here, and I had something like this. So I was very confident we go there. What else aligns with that? The standard deviation of this move right here. We come down, we buy up instantly, buying pressure, changing the state of delivery, buy up higher. We respect CISD. We buy up again, breakaway gap, whatever you want to call it. So I'm monitoring my risk very tight. We get a buy up at all, I monitor risk. We buy up. I'm at break even so fast. Whoops. At break even very fast. And then we continue to buy up, and we get really close, and I just exit out of the trade because I'm fine with that. I got everything I wanted out of it. This is my low-hanging fruit. This is what I was the most confident that would get taken. That is what gotten taken. That's how I got the bias there. That is the trade I took today. That is how I made the 600 bucks. Pretty cool. I do plan to make another video, guys, for you later. I do think we'll see lower. When, I don't necessarily know exactly. We might run this fair value up. I don't really care if we do. I'm gonna go live my life and do things that away from trading. I was in this trade for merely 5 minutes. Very happy with it overall. Was very confident in it overall too, because once we finally saw some buying pressure, I knew we had to retrace eventually. But yeah, if you guys would like to join my Discord, link in the description. Like and subscribe this video. If you have any questions about this trade, just DM me, comment on YouTube. I appreciate all the support from you guys. Thank you so much. Keep grinding. God bless.